In industries across the board, identifying the most effective options for shipping goods can translate into a competitive advantage. Companies that make real-time decisions about freight management based on accurate, up-to-date information can increase their supply chain efficiency and operate more profitably. The transportation industry is complex and ever-changing, therefore making it difficult to navigate the variables that affect shipping decisions. This is especially true for small and mid-sized businesses, which often lack the expertise or budget needed to optimize their supply chain.
So the transportation industry is constantly changing, and the challenge that presents is if you don't have somebody full-time following those changes as a small or mid-sized company, you can get caught. What MGN allows companies to do is to focus on their core competency while we take away that pressure of having to be an expert in the transportation industry.
Over the past few decades, large companies have used transportation management software to improve the logistics function. But these TMS systems have remained outside the reach of small and mid-sized firms due to their high cost and demanding implementation. Today, the picture has changed. Thanks to cloud-based computing, scalable pricing models, and greatly simplified implementation, smaller businesses can access the benefits of a TMS system. MGN Logistics, a full-service freight management firm, has worked with small and medium-sized companies for many years to improve their supply chain efficiency. MGN's proprietary software helps these companies improve their shipping, tracking, and auditing processes. The TMS system is cloud-based, eliminating the costly servers and system administrators typically associated with legacy-based software.
When a smaller business has access to a TMS to improve their supply chain management, they get a wealth of control and knowledge they wouldn't necessarily have if they were doing it themselves by hand. They get automated carrier tracking. They know where their freight is. They know how long it takes to get there. They know if there's a problem on the way. And then they have the pricing. We give them a real-time price interpretation on what they could have spent, what they will spend, the best price, and trends in which way to go with their freight. They're not using a book, they're not using outdated data, they're getting real-time information to make the best decisions possible.
With a transportation management system, companies can improve shipping functions such as rate analysis and negotiation, carrier selection and consolidation, load optimization, and freight tracking. This process leads to efficiencies that previously were not available to small and mid-sized firms. For example, MGN Logistics software allows companies to compare pre-negotiated shipping rates with real-time market rates. At a time when market conditions change quickly, this cost analysis and other carrier data allow users to identify the best choice for each shipment. Clients can have MGN Logistics manage their day-to-day shipping decisions for them, or use its comprehensive software system to make freight decisions in-house.
The advice that I would give managers in other companies is to really analyze your business model and take a look at what is your core competency, what are you trying to achieve. Our core competency is welding, fabricating, and assembly. It's not logistics. MGN, as I said, we view them as part of Lars Heating Systems. So, you know, take a look at that. What do you want to be good at and what do you want to be strong at? And logistics is not where we want to be strong at. We want to be good at what we do and be efficient at what we do. And we know with MGN we can get the logistics portion of that out of the way without having to handle it internally.
An ability to capture and leverage data is essential to supply chain efficiency. When raw data is converted to actionable information, a company can reduce shipping costs and improve its transportation yield. MGN Logistics believes smaller businesses need to cut through the sea of data available and access the crucial metrics needed for decision-making the same as their larger competitors do. In place of more traditional TMS spreadsheets, MGN software provides dynamic benchmarking tools, that quickly identify trends and patterns in analytics. The system uses extensive charting and visualization tools to simplify the presentation of key data.
Our tools are very unique in that we offer many tools that our competitors don't. We really drive down into the nuts and bolts of the key performance indicators that a customer might look for. For example, we average your cost per pallet, your cost per pound, where your shipments are going, where you're spending your most dollars on a regional basis. And this really helps us to identify better ways to negotiate some better pricing for our customers, and also allows us to see current trends that the customers might be going in, and it really gives them an overall picture of what's going on with their business.
In small and mid-sized companies, managers who are short on time or expertise may shy away from the complexities of freight management. But with more tools available to them today, the gains in efficiency once concentrated among the largest companies in any industry are now within the reach of smaller businesses. To learn more about MGN Logistics, visit the company's website at www.mgnlogistics.com or call 800-645-0727.